Welcome back to the class. Assuming we are to use the assuming method. So there are two methods of calculating the arithmetic mean. Either we use direct method, that is the one we used in our previous class, or we use the assuming method. Either of the two, we are going to get the same answer. So let's try the assuming method here. So I have the same question with me here. The test scores of 40 students, and I have made my table vertical. You can see vertical. So using the assuming method. So the formula goes thus: we have x bar equals to a plus summation fd over summation f. That's the formula. Let me write it very well. Summation fd over summation f. That is the formula. Where this a represents the assuming and this d represents the difference between each of the scores and the assuming. So what do we by that? Let's go there. So when we have our table here, the next thing to do is to calculate d. Our d here, that is the deviation of individual score from the assuming. So we need to pick our assuming. We can pick any of the values here to be our assuming. Irrespective of the value we pick as our assuming, we are going to get the same answer. Now, in this example, let me pick 6 as the assuming, but I have to state it that I'm picking 6. If I let a equals to 6, a is my assuming. This is my assuming, then that a is 6. That assuming is 6. So d is equivalent to x minus a. Okay, x minus a. Now 6 is my a. So the first thing is going to be 4, which is x minus 6. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. 6 minus 6, that is 0. 15 minus 6, that is 9. Okay, then 10 minus 7, that is 4. Then we have 9 minus 6, that is 3. Okay, so I have my d here already. So the next thing, let me put it in bracket. So the next thing is to find fd. The product of f and d. Now, this is my f and this is my d. So let me put it so that I'm going to separate it. So I have f and d. 5 times minus 2, that is minus 10. 10 times 0, that is 0. Then I have 8 times 9. What is 8 times 9 here? 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, then we have 7 times 4, that is 28. Then we have 10 times 3, that is 30. Because we are good to go. We have what we have here, we are assuming that is 6. Summation fd. What is summation fd? The addition of this column will give us summation fd. Okay, so when we have this minus 10 plus 0 plus 72 plus 28 plus 30, what are you going to have? That is going to give us 120. It's going to give us 120. Then the denominator, I have summation f. When we sum this, we are going to get 40. So we are good to go. We already know our summation fd, and that our summation fd is equals to 120. Then we have our summation f is equals to 40. Then we know that our a is equal to 6. So we just need to plug in into this formula. Then going back to the formula, I have x bar is equals to a. What's our a? That is 6 plus summation fd. What is summation fd? Here is the summation fd, 120. 120 divided by summation F, that is 40. We are good to go. Then we have 6 plus 120 divided by 40, that is 3. Then 6 plus 3, that is 9. So here is our final answer, 9. The same thing as what we got when we used the divided method.